The universe is poised to die much faster than previously thought, according to new research by Dutch scientists. But there's no great need to panic. We still have 10 to the power of 78 years before it happens. That's a 1 with 78 zeros. However, that is a major revision from the previous estimate of 10 to the power of 1,100 years, notes the research paper from Radboud University, published in the Journal of Cosmology and Astroparticle Physics. The final end of the universe is coming much sooner than expected, but fortunately it still takes a very long time, said lead author Heino Falk. A trio of scientists at Radboud set out to calculate when the most durable celestial bodies, white dwarf stars, would eventually die out. They based their calculations on Hawking radiation, named after celebrated British physicist Stephen Hawking. Hawking postulated in the mid-1970s that black holes leak radiation, slowly dissolving like aspirin in a glass of water, giving them a finite lifetime.
The Radboud scientists extended this to other objects in the universe, calculating that the evaporation time depends on density. This enabled them to calculate the theoretical dissolution of the longest-lasting body, the white dwarf. By asking these kinds of questions and looking at extreme cases, we want to better understand the theory, and perhaps one day we can unravel the mystery.
Did you know the sun isn't actually yellow? Even though we often picture it glowing golden, the sun's light is actually pure white, containing all visible wavelengths combined. The reason it looks yellow to us is Earth's atmosphere. As sunlight passes through, shorter wavelengths like blue scatter in all directions, leaving longer wavelengths like yellow and orange more visible. During sunrise and sunset, sunlight travels through even more atmosphere, scattering away more blue light and making the sky glow with vibrant reds and oranges. If you could see the sun from space, free from atmospheric effects, it would shine in its true color, a brilliant white. About 50 light-years from Earth, there's a strange and fascinating world called LHS 1140b. Orbiting a dim red dwarf star, this exoplanet has captured scientists' imagination and possibly holds liquid water. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, researchers believe this icy planet could be hiding a giant ocean on the side that always faces its star. The rest of the planet is likely frozen solid. The result? A world that looks like a massive eyeball in space, with a dark, icy shell and a glowing, watery iris staring right at its sun. Could this be a place where life exists beyond Earth? We don't know yet, but one thing is clear, LHS 1140b is one of the most intriguing alien worlds we've ever discovered. A glimpse into the strange and beautiful possibilities of our universe. Astronomers have discovered the closest known black hole to Earth, and it's practically in our galactic backyard. Located just 1,560 light-years away in the constellation Ophiuchus, this black hole is part of a binary system named Gaia BH1. What's even more surprising? Its companion is a star just like our Sun, quietly orbiting an invisible monster. This discovery was made possible by data from ESA's Gaia mission, and it challenges what we thought we knew about how black holes form and evolve. Just another reminder, space is both beautiful and terrifying. Pluto just surprised scientists again. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers have discovered that the dwarf planet's mysterious blue haze isn't just a visual spectacle, it actively controls Pluto's climate. This haze, composed of organic particles formed from methane and nitrogen, absorbs sunlight and releases it as infrared radiation, cooling the atmosphere to a bone-chilling -203 to 30 degrees Celsius colder than expected. This insight confirms predictions made in 2017, but only now proven thanks to JWST's infrared precision, which separated Pluto's signal from its nearby moon, Charon. Researchers call this a new kind of climate, unseen anywhere else in our solar system. What's more, this phenomenon could help us understand haze-covered worlds like Titan or Triton, and even early Earth. Before oxygen reshaped our skies, Earth may have been cloaked in a similar haze, possibly helping stabilize surface temperatures and support life's origins. Once dismissed as an icy relic, Pluto is now emerging as a complex, dynamic world, and its climate may offer keys to unlocking planetary evolution across the cosmos.